Hey, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Are we well? Look at this, look. Blue skies, green grass, holiday homes. Life doesn't get much better than this, does it really? I mean, what a day we have in store. It's just glorious. Where are we, I hear you ask me say? Well, I am at Holiday Resort Unity in Breen in Somerset. 15 minutes from the M5. That's all I am, 15 minutes from the M5, and you can own your own little piece of heaven right down here. Just to give you an idea, before we have a look at some magnificent holiday home behind me, look at the pitch. Corner plot, loads of space, own driveway. Just to point it out in the background, we are literally that far from RJ's, which is the main entertainment hub. What more could you want from a pitch? You want the perfect holiday home for it, don't you? I guess you do, and that's what's right behind me. We're now going to have a look at a Willerby Westcoast 2011, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model, double glazed, central heating, and it's fabulous. This really is an ideal holiday home for people that have never done it before and were looking into doing it, or people that maybe look for upgrade or second options if you are interested in subletting. Right, enough about mine. Let's go in and have a little look. So as we walk in, straight away we're met with a great open plan living, dining, kitchen area. But look at the light that's flooded in. Those massive windows at the front, and then you've got aspects either side, but the light floods in, but it's just a fabulous space. Dining area, galley kitchen with massive amounts of storage, and of course the corner lounge, sofa in the lounge, which also has your sofa bed. So although it's 2-bedroom, it does sleep 6. But look, all the light that's come flooding in. But say down into your kitchen, gas ovens, fridge, but just so much storage. Right, first door on the left is your main bathroom. Again, fabulous size, great size shower, storage, sink and WC. It's just a lovely, well thought out designed main bathroom. Then we go, next one is to the twin. Again, great size, freestanding beds, above bed storage, wardrobe, but with the beds being so flexible and able to move, again, you can store underneath the bed, no problem at all. And then into the main master. What a fabulous size this room is. Double bed, again, dual aspect windows. Sorry, I went a bit quick there. So light floods through. And what space, look, 3-door wardrobe with 4 drawers underneath, and then the same again the other side. You know, his and hers, probably more hers than he gets a little bit, but we know. But great size room, really is, with the added bonus of an ensuite WC and sink. Lovely, lovely, lovely room. And we come back down into the main lounge, living, dining area. What a lovely space, loads of light, really does work. So this is the fabulous 2011 Willerby Westcoast, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. As you walk in, met with all that natural light through the massive windows, plus the fabulous open plan living, dining, kitchen, social area that really works. The lovely family bathroom, the twin room with the flexibility of the beds being removed so you can play around in great storage, and then that fabulous master bedroom with all that massive amounts of storage, the large open plan with the dual aspect and the ensuite WC. So if you want to find out about this or any other holiday homes we have on offer, you know what you've got to do. You've got to pick up the phone, 07493 098 497. Pick up the phone, give me a call, say, Roger, help me. I'm interested in holiday home ownership. What have you got? How do we do it? I don't understand the steps. All you've got to do is pick up the phone and I will happily talk you through holiday home ownership from start to finish, because my job is making you guys happy so you can own your own little slice of heaven down here. Now, if you don't want to pick up the phone, you can text me. If you don't want to do that, you can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. List me your questions. I will happily answer everything you've got. And don't forget, people, my YouTube page, Roger the Real Deal Guy, on there is a range of different holiday homes. So you can have a look at all the different holiday home options you've got. You can have a look at what we do and what activities we've got. Everything that you need to know that involves holiday home ownership. I am here to assist you. So, for now, please remember, people, one easy thing. It's not a deal, of course it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.